Welcome back to Left 4 Dead 2. We're doing the Sugar Mill chapter in Hard Rain, and there are a lot of witches in this chapter, so I will try not to startle any of them. But I can't say the same for my teammates, the AI, because they might startle one. They have a habit of it.
We're not going any further on this road. In here. This way. It's really starting to pour. I hear a jockey.
I hear a witch. I'm so starting to hate all the stuff from the specters in this game. Where that witch at? Where is that witch? Oh, she's right there. I see her. Alice!
Get up! Now!
So what gun do I have? Alice, why do you have a sniper rifle?
I'm reloading.
Heal in. I hear another witch.
Everyone, like that.
Hey, that sun is not face. Where's she at?
How many goddamn witches are there? Up
I
that
see her.
ramp.
I see her. She's right there. Move! Move! Oh, good. She's going out. Oh, one right there. Oh, I see her. One right there. One right there. You just shot her. I saw that. I say Coach and Ellie.
Is it flood around here? We can get up here.
Whoa! Don't fall. Hey. Yeah, that drop hurting because, hey, I had to get away from that tank.
Yeah, that'll help.
A fat lady demon.
Reloading.
Ooh, a health pack here.
First aid kit. Cover me, please.
Come with this health pack, y'all.
Oh, all better now. Catch you up. I hit it.
Why we got guns?
Reloading!
Reloading.
Nick is about to go down.
We have to get going. Come on.
Hey, everybody, get the elevator.
Oh, I had it out. Look, he's lucky. I had to reload.
Stand still, or I'm gonna mess this up. Okay. Hey, let's go!
Keep moving. Head for the sun. Keep moving.
Grabbing first aid. Alright, this party is over.
Nick killed the most infected. Nick did the most damage to the tank. Coach did the most damage to that witch. Mill escaped. So that has been the sugar mill. When we come back, we will attempt to
All right.
escape the mill.
Everybody got a gas can? I
Yeah.
do not want to make
Until
the trip
then,
twice.
see y'all later. Bye.